Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix microphone not working on Windows 11. So firstly click on start, then settings, now here click on privacy and security. Now here click on microphone. And make sure this option is on. Microphone access, so make it on. Anyone using this device can choose it if their apps have microphone access when this is on. Also guys, turn on microphone for particular application, like you are using the Skype or you are using the voice recorder, so make it on here. And exit and restart. So this is the basic method. Still you are facing problem, so you can try this method. Open control panel. Now here click on sound and make sure your speaker is connected. Now here select your speaker and click on set default. If another speaker is selected, so select your speaker and make it default. So this is the possible way guys, you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.